देखिए ना नियम
So much beautiful. Can you tell us about your dress regarding?
Thank you so much. I'm wearing Falguni Shane, as you know. I think she's made it very soft colors she's used for bridal, and it's very light because you know when you go for a wedding or something, you're so tired holding the ghagra, and the guys are very having fun jumping around, and we are like just walking with 1 kilo, 5 kilos of ghagra. So she made it so subtle and beautiful. I think it's nice, you know, overdoing with too much of work. I think it's passe. I feel the more lighter you are, I think you know, to enhance your beauty, but not the ghagra is just the color and the workmanship is so light. So I'm really enjoying wearing her stuff.
Okay, क्या आपकी नज़र में फैशन की डेफिनेशन क्या है बाकी या फैशन?
फैशन मेरे लिए डेफिनेशन ये है कि वॉट एवर यू कैरी, इवन इफ यू कैरी समथिंग very like 100 rupees t-shirt or a shirt, it's the way you dress it up. You can that's the way I feel, and walk with confidence with whatever you wear. That for me, that is fashion.
First of all, very all the best for your tomorrow's trailer launch of your movie Mangalam Saudhan. क्या कहना चाहिए, कितने एक्साइटेड हैं मूवी में?
बहुत एक्साइटेड है क्योंकि दिस इज़ बहुत फन पिक्चर है, बिकॉज मुझे ये लगता है कि जब हम जाते हैं पिक्चर देखने के लिए, हमें फुल एंटरटेनमेंट रहता है कि आई शुड गेट फुल एंटरटेनमेंट. आई थिंक दिस फिल्म विल गिव यू फुल एंटरटेनमेंट. यू लाफ, यू हैव फन एंड यू कम आउट.
देयर इज नो डाउट ये मतलब बोलते हैं ना कि बॉडी लैंग्वेज से या फेस से यू लुक लाइक अ सेलिब्रिटी. और एक्ट्रेस तो कभी सोचा है कि अपनी मूवी में एक छोटा सा कैमियो कभी करे? सबने पूछा ही होगा आपसे.
हाँ, सब तो पूछते हैं, लेकिन अभी सोचा नहीं है मेरे को. अभी काम के ऊपर.
You look too much fit and good looking actress. You can compete the Priyanka and Deepika of them.
Thank you. I really work hard for it. I work out a lot in the morning. That's my regime. That I wake up, I work out, and then only I go for my work. Gives me a lot of freshness, gives me a lot of energy, because when I'm satisfied that I've given time to myself, and then I can enjoy working. So I'm working on few projects, and tomorrow is a big day for me. Our film Shubh Mangal Savdhan is trailer launch is there. So I'm going to see all of you all, and I'm waiting to hear from you all how you like the.
But in future you will be there in film as actress. You can.
No, I've not thought about it at all, because for me, my work is very important, and I enjoy what I'm doing. I like to be behind cameras. That's fun for me.
As a Bollywood industry women or Indian were all appreciated. The movie just releases Rishi Randana Bokha. To be seen and how?
No, I've heard good reviews, and I'm very happy if small films like this work. It's very difficult because out of 100 films, only 1 or 2 small films are working. But for that, you have to work on 100 films for that to good release. But nevertheless, I'm really working on small budget also, because I feel for me content is everything. If the content is small and needs that much budget, it's good to release. Word of mouth is also for me a big honor to go. Then doing a lot of PR, like the promotions going wild. Word of mouth promotions is the best.
Do you want to say anything about the Priyanka production is doing very good, and as a producer, Priyanka, how are you looking to her success in Hollywood also?
She's been very successful.
Yeah.
She's tried her. Priyanka has done in Marathi also. She did very well. So it's good to see a lot of female producers around. So the inspiration is going on. So all there's space for everyone to make a lot of films, because every day, whatever happens, in your life, whether you're sad or happy, you don't mind just going and watching a film. So we all are waiting and we're all hungry for different kind of subjects and different kind of cinema. We might be thinking of one kind of cinema, but you know, getting a lot of other women together, they think differently, I think differently. So we are getting different kind of you know, cinema and this for all of us. So I think it's a very good thing.
ओके और कृषिका जैसे कि बहुत फैशन की है तो क्या फैशन टिप्स देना चाहेंगी अपने फ्रेंड्स को और जो देखने वाले हैं?
ये फैशन टिप देना चाहूँगी कि don't wear anything too heavy. Be as light as possible and more simple. I think the more you're simple, I think it enhances your beauty.
ओके आपका क्या स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट है अगर आपकी अगर बात करें?
For me, I have a style statement in wherever different place. My office has a different style statement. In the night, I wear comfortable clothes and very simple. So for me, different. It depends on my mood and where I'm going.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Wish
much
you
all.
for tomorrow and see you.
Thank you. Thank you.